Okay, so this is your website. So this video is basically on how to log into Paystack, receive payments on Paystack, and withdraw your payment which you have received from Paystack. So this is the Paystack dashboard. I'll also send you link to this dashboard, the link, email address and password you use to log into this particular Paystack. So first, what you have to understand about the Paystack is that it's only used to take online payments from your website or app, and you can also withdraw the payment from this Paystack to your local bank account, either to your business account or any bank account at all you want to withdraw the payment from. So first, let me show you a demo of how this platform work. But you don't need to concern yourself with anything here. All you want is just to receive payments, which you also get an email whenever a payment comes. When they send money to your account through Paystack, or when someone pays for goods and services, you get an email from Paystack that I have received a payment. And let me see and show you how the email is like. You can see receive from this transfer, this and other others ones. So payment of this from this CD pack. So this is payment I made. Then first of all, let me just do a demo of how this Paystack work. Let's assume I want to buy this particular product, and I click on this product. You can see the product here. I click on add to cart. Just click on continue to check out. So this is like a demo of how you can see shipping address is here, and this is total amount also pay. Then click on save and pay. So your billing address is required. Okay, I choose this as the billing address. Then this is a cash on delivery, and this Paystack. As I choose Paystack payment, so I click on pay. So it will redirect me to this. Okay, they say transfer is not currently available for payment below 100 naira. So let me see if I can double this cart uh, back to checkout. Okay, let me say back to cart. Now this one, so let me say I'm buying two of this. Two of this now is 171. Then I click on proceed to checkout. I've already chosen this. I click on pay. Now I click on pay stack. Then I click on confirm payment. That's it. You can choose to pay with card, bank, USSD, via KRO or OPay. Then transfer. Now I want to do the normal transfer. So this is they will provide a demo account number for you to transfer to, a one-time account number that you can transfer the payment to. Then and the amount is also transfer. So I'm doing the transfer now. 171, and I click on confirm and pay. And when I send the money, normally the system will automatically dictate the payment sent, received, and payment successful. So that's how the Paystack work. So immediately a payment is made, you have access to the email. You receive an email like this: a payment of this from this city park has been made on your Paystack account. Then you can now log in. You can now log into Paystack. You can now log into your Paystack. Let me refresh this. You can now log into your Paystack and see the payment which I've made. So you can see the amount have increased. If I go to these transactions, You can see we have this first transaction I made on is it 18th March, this 24th March, which is today. Then I'll go to my dashboard. I'll see this. You can see new payout is this due tomorrow. So Paystack does not give you access to your money immediately. It takes 24 hours for Paystack to release the money for withdrawal. So after 24 hours, this balance will enter here. Then you can now click on withdraw. So you can now click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, the balance will show here. This you can see you don't have enough money to withdraw. So okay, what I want to do now is that I want to top up this account small and show you how the withdrawal works. So when I click on top up and top up naira, let's say I want to top up with 100 naira. Then I click on top up. This is just to show you how the withdrawal works. And top up the Paystack, then normal payment method for 1759. So I just want to top up the account so I could show you how the Paystack integration works. So I've top up 100 naira to the account. So wait for it to receive and get credited. You can see now 100 naira is now available on this particular account. So if I click on withdraw, you can see 100 naira available, and I can withdraw to this your business bank. Amount to send is 90. So you'll be charged 10 naira for this transfer fee. Okay. Then I don't need to leave any notes. I just did and click on start transfer. You cannot transfer initially to the party at this time. Okay. Create a new recipient. You can choose to add a new bank account I want to transfer to. Then the account number, the account name, and everything. Then you transfer your payment. So that is basically how the transfer works on a Paystack. Then you don't need to bother yourself about any other thing here on the Paystack. What you have to do is just do is to be checking your transaction, the customers, that is people who have purchased things from your account, which is only one. Then you don't have any refunds at this time. Then the payout are like the money you receive, which are due for payout, and no disputes. So this is just basically what you'll be checking. So you can as well log in and check other things you want to check here. So this is how the Paystack integration works. If there's any question or anything you want me to explain on this, you can always reach out, then I'll explain more on the Paystack. And again, Paystack also has an app. You can download the Paystack app on your phone. So instead of you logging in to the web all the time, this is the Paystack app here. It's available on Apple, it's also available on Google. So let me see, this is the Paystack app. So you can download the Paystack app on your phone and log in directly. There you receive real-time notifications, and you don't need to use the website anymore to log in. So it has an app. If there's any question or any concern about this, I will explain better.